guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is what we are gonna do. The sandwiches over here. The sandwiches over here. I forgot. The sandwiches and the slime. The slime, the green slime that it came with one pack. So we need to be take these out the bun. So first you put the slime on it and then the thing and then this. See? Do I want to touch them?
Yeah, you can touch them.
Mom's turning Dodo so she can't like go over there.
That's fine.
She's gonna put my brother to sleep or something.
Yeah, that's a bad thing.
That's my sister. We did the old slime before.
Ew.
The old slime. No, that's mine. Sorry. These are mine too. Right here. I'm going to show you my paper is down there, but I didn't want to get it off. So, here's the buns. What should I do next? Wait, take this off. Guys, I don't know how to cut things off.
I thought it was you.
No. No, this is mine. Don't touch these. Not try to be rude, but do not touch them. That's my sister just.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Or you got it?
I need help.
No?
Yeah. Okay, guys, we are back. So, because my brother was trying and it was hard, so I just showed the map. Mom, can you do with the map? I just don't want to get down before they just start to see me. The map is right there. You just can see it. See? And then you can play with the apple. So
You have to make it into like a burger.
A boodle? But this is not a boodle. This is with slime.
It's called a sneeze burger.
Sneeze boodle. But this is not a... Oh, because
You
this
could
is...
mix everything. Look.
I know. I saw that. Look.
Oh.
Look, because look. You can see at the back too.
Oh.
There's my paper right there. So guys, we will back. We paused the video because my mom's a mom that she told her that because there's no toilet paper, whatever. So there's no toilet paper. So what should I do next?
You can make it however you want.
Okay.
Hey.
You want us to save these for my sister?
Well, miss that.
Then we can do that.
That.
Wait.
That's like the lettuce. You should mix it all together.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Oh my goodness.
When we are done with mom. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I just put it
Are you trying to mix the slime with all those stuff?
Yeah, I'm trying to make
Just grab it and just go like this to mix it. No, like the slime, like the
I
whole
know, I'm
thing.
just gonna do this.
Victoria, don't do that.
Sorry, mommy.
It's okay.
I just didn't clean it up.
Victoria, mix yours there.
And then do I need to put my bun?
Yeah, put your bun.
Okay, thank you for my delivery, son.
Let me see. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you need ketchup?
Yeah. Team food chat.
Just kidding. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Don't bite it.
It really tastes good.
Mix the slime with it. I want to see how that looks.
Like that?
Yeah, like that. That looks cool.
But
That looks awesome.
We just, Mommy, please do not end it.
Okay, I'm not gonna end it.
Because we just did this vlog. My friends are watching. Alyssa
Just put it over here.
Alyssa and Alana is watching this too.
Yeah.
Are you guys watching this? Give
my
this
God,
a
so much
big thumbs up and like
Subscribe
and subscribe.
and say thank you.
And
Thank you for watching.
but I do not want to end it.
I know, but just say thank you
Thank you
for watching.
for watching my YouTube channel every day.
Do you want to say hi, Victoria? Yeah? Do you want to say hi? Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, pick them up.
See
We can't drop the little beads on the floor because the
Beads?
baby could eat them.
we can put them in here.
Okay. Or
Oh,
just don't drop them on the floor, okay?
guys, this is so awesome. Sorry, this is so awesome because look, you can even do this.
Let me
Guys,
see. Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's cool.
no, you got your slime. Let me.
That looks cool.
Yeah, it looks
Oh, it's so much better.
It looks so much better than the doing. Hey, that's my bun. Guys, do you want some bomb thing?
Bomb it? Did you just say bomb it?
Sorry.
A burger?
Yeah. I mean, salad with some.
That one's glow in the dark.
Which one?
The slime.
Blow in the dough.
Yeah. It's glow in the dark. That's what it is.
Yes.
Well, you're gonna have to turn off all the lights to see him.
Okay. Turn off all the lights, Mom. Mom, turn off all the lights.
They are off.
Turn off the blinds too.
I can't turn off the blinds. I have to close the blinds.
Close the blinds. Mom, close the blinds.
Your dad's
So we can
calling.
see. Dad, don't talk. Just.
I'm not gonna
answer.
answer.
Mommy, can you close the blinds?
Oh.
Mommy,
Sorry.
can you close the blinds?
Yeah, right now, okay?
Guys, do you see it?
That looks cool.
It doesn't look classy. Alyssa and Alana, are you watching this? Tell your teacher about this. And it's done like something. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel today. Can you please give me a big thumbs up and what?
Subscribe.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Each one of them, there's my thing on it that he loves like saying yeah. So yeah.
Do you want to say bye?
Bye.
Do you want to say bye, Victoria? Yeah, say bye.
Bye.